Welcome to this episode of Lock Your Virtual Front Door. Today's topic tackles securing offline operational technology, also known as OT. You know, those computers that control our critical government and commercial infrastructure. The NSA says the best way to prevent a cyber attack is don't connect your OT computers to the internet. For example, defense weapon systems, nuclear reactors, hospital equipment, water treatment facilities, power plants, manufacturing robots, and the list goes on, must be offline. This means no www, no external networks, and no cloud connections. However, operational technology still requires secure login authentication. How do you know that the person logging in is authorized? Most OT logins only use one of the following three methods: a secure credential, a digital certificate, or a username and password. Instead of using only one authentication, let's combine all three. But first, you need to be aware of some of the false authentication arguments. Security pundits argue that passwords are insecure. They claim that they're weak, they're shared, and they're stolen. The truth is, password authentication is secure. However, user-managed passwords are not. Pundits argue that digital certificates require the internet. Certificate verifications require revocation lists. Revocation lists need the internet. Therefore, offline OT cannot use certificates. The truth is, offline certificate authentication doesn't need a complex infrastructure. Pundits argue that authenticator apps and SMS are MFA. They claim SMS and authenticators are secure, that users always have their smartphones with them, and smartphones are always charged. The truth is, SMS and authenticators are two-step verification. They're not multi-factor authentication solutions. NIST has declared SMS as being insecure, and smartphones are frequently not allowed in secured locations. So, let me introduce Power LogOn COA by Access Smart. Power LogOn COA combines MFA, digital certificates, and password authentication together. So, how does Power LogOn COA work? Let me demonstrate. First, you present your credential to a reader. This is something you have. Type in your PIN. This is something you know. Power LogOn validates that the card certificate is authorized to access the system. Finally, the username and password login information is automatically entered and you're in. Power LogOn COA secures offline OT, uses your existing 509 digital certificates, performs local certificate validation, requires no network connections, manages your Windows logon, no user-managed passwords, offers low implementation, and segregates users' OT access. Power LogOn COA solves your offline OT authentication. If you want to know more, go to access-smart.com or schedule a call to become an authorized reseller of Power LogOn.